All right, if you've been looking for a truly premium, data-driven way to completely decode the markets, well, your wait is over. In this explainer, we're unpacking a brand new standard in structured market intelligence. And here's the big news. MQradar is online today. It's an entirely new way to take all that complex, noisy market data we deal with and turn it into structured, explainable intelligence. Everything you're going to see here is versioned, fully transparent, and strictly measurable. So, where do you start? Your workflow kicks off in one single, incredibly powerful dashboard. We're talking multiple asset classes all in one place: equities, ETFs, crypto, and commodities. It's basically your complete market pulse, right there the second you log in. Now, to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, we've got the Universal Market Radar. This lets you instantly search across all those asset classes, filter by precise algorithmic scores, and configure custom views. It's absolutely crucial for cutting through the noise and isolating true market signals.
But, how do we actually measure that strength? Well, at the very core of the platform is our proprietary quantum score engine. It generates a 0 to 100 score built purely from raw, measurable components. So we're looking at trend, momentum, risk-adjusted return, relative performance, range position, and volatility quality.
And when you really need to dig deeper, the quantum analysis workspace is right there. It lets you run on-demand diagnostics, directly comparing the absolute strongest and weakest assets across our entire monitored universe. And it does this in literally seconds. Of course, for the full picture, every single asset has its own complete asset detail page. This seamlessly brings together live market data, trend charts, company context, and crucially, our analytical confidence metrics, all in one super clean view. Now, what if you need to process a massive amount of information instantly? Just use our color-coded heat map. It gives you an immediate visual scan of the market's current state. Honestly, it's the fastest way to see exactly where capital is flowing, and just as importantly, where weakness is hiding.
But beyond just individual assets, you really need to gauge the overall tide, right? That's where the market breadth module comes in. It dynamically measures broad market participation, highlighting the strength of moving averages and tracking the exact ratio of advancing versus declining assets.
And to understand that broader environment even better, our Macro Intelligence Hub definitively identifies the current macroeconomic regime. It actually connects the dots between liquidity, interest rates, and volatility, so you always know the exact backdrop you're operating in.
Okay, let's talk about cutting through the noise. You can build highly personalized watch lists tailored exactly to what you care about. Featuring live snapshots and compact trend charts, it just keeps your primary interests and top targets perfectly organized in one spot.
And obviously, your personal holdings are just as critical. Our portfolio workspace goes way beyond basic tracking. You get to monitor your exact positions, sector allocation, profit and loss, right alongside sophisticated risk metrics like your Sharpe ratio. To take it a step further, think of the Portfolio Fit Engine as your analytical co-pilot. It dynamically evaluates your portfolio's diversification and actively uncovers allocation gaps that, let's be real, you might have otherwise missed. Ever want to stress test your strategy? With the Scenario Simulator, you can actually see how your specific holdings might react to things like a tech bull market or a sudden liquidity crunch. You just instantly apply documented, hypothetical market conditions directly to your portfolio. And here's the best part. You don't need to stare at a screen all day long. Our automated alert system monitors the data for you. You define the rules, whether you're looking for a shift in quantum scores, ranking changes, volatility spikes, or even macro condition flips. Now, because we firmly believe in total transparency, the Data Quality Center proves our enterprise-grade reliability. You can literally audit our metrics for data freshness, pipeline coverage, and system confidence at any given moment. To help you really master all of this, the Knowledge Center offers some fantastic guided educational courses. And for the developers and quants out there, we bridge that educational value with raw technical power, providing read-only API access so you can plug our intelligence straight into your own models. Before we wrap things up, it is absolutely important to clearly state our compliance framework. MQradar provides quantitative market analysis strictly for informational and educational purposes. So we provide the intelligence, but there is no automated order execution. So, the data is waiting. Are you ready to finally trade with pure, structured context? MQradar is online today. Sign up by September 12th and get full access free until October 31st.